everyone, it's Bradley with the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures, here with another great room tour, and today we're going to tour the brand new Stella Nova Resort at Universal Orlando Resort. So come along, let's check it out and see how out of this world this room is at Stella Nova. Let's go. All right, welcome to the Stella Nova Resort. This is a standard 2-queen bed. So let's go ahead and dive in. As soon as you enter the room, you'll see it open up with a full-length mirror here. And on the right for this particular room is going to be a full closet. So both of these doors do open. And you'll see you've got plenty of hangers, an ironing rack. You've got a luggage stand, iron, a safe, extra blankets, and there's a look inside the safe as well. All right, close those doors. Right next to the closet is going to be the thermostat that you can change as well. Opposite of that, you're going to have the bathroom area. So in here you have a good mirror. Hey everybody. You've got some soap, sink, tissues. There are 2 plugs over here. You'll also see some hand towels and washcloths, a hair dryer, and then some extra toilet tissue and some extra toilet tissue. Moving over here, you've got the bath area. So you've got your shower, which is a glass shower. They will have the shampoo and conditioner affixed to the wall. And then you've got some soap in there as well. Here's a look at the shower head. And opposite of the shower will be the faucet. And here are your towels and the toilet as well. Moving out of the bathroom, you will see this glass partition, which can separate off and be closed if needed. So that is with it open. You can close it to have morning privacy if it will be a shared room as well if needed. Okay. Now here's the bed area. You've got this beautiful artwork capturing the cosmos. Again, this is Stella Nova Resort. So paying homage to outer space, to the universe, to the cosmos. It's very out of this world for sure. You've got a great headboard with 2 queen beds, like I stated, each featuring 2 pillows and a little plush pillow as well. Coming over to the center table, nightstand, you will see 1 lamp here that does turn on if needed. You've got your remote as well. Clock with a wireless charging pad. You've got your snooze, set alarms if you want. And this one does feature a USB and USB-A, or USB-C I should say, if you need that. Also on the back, you'll see the 2 regular outlets, as well as, again, another USB and a USB-C. Moving down, you'll see the front of the nightstand. There is a drawer as well, and a Bible. So if you need to put anything in there, you could as well. Soft close features. Opposite of the beds, you will see a flat screen TV. This is currently welcoming us here to the Stella Nova Resort. Below the TV, you will find where your wardrobe is. On top of the wardrobe is a nice flat surface if you need to put anything up there like bags or such. You've got 2 outlets and 3 USB-A outlets and a USB-C outlet. And this can be closed if not needed and simply released with the push of a button. Here's your rundown. If you need to look over some important information like checkout, you want to go to the fitness room, anything like that, guest laundry. And here's your phone if you do need to call downstairs. And Universal is pretty good. They actually have text options where they will text you. And if you need any help, you can reply to that text. Next to the wardrobe is a nice little couch area with a plush pillow and a table should you need to use that for any purposes. Looking over here will be your window to peek out of your resort room. And depending on the room type, you could have a really epic view. This is a standard 2 queen bed, like I said. Currently, we are looking over at iDrive. That's the Orlando Eye over there. Drive Shack is there. And then, of course, a beautiful look at the Terra Luna Resort, which is the sister resort here to the Stella Nova Resort. And then to the left is the pool itself with lots of lounge chairs. Let's go back here though, and we'll show you the beverage station. So here is your Cuisinart single cup coffee maker. Lots of coffee options and condiments, cups, lids, ice bucket. And below that will be the beverage cooler. Should you need to use it, you can put it in here. Very nice. I hope you guys have enjoyed this room tour here at Universal Stella Nova Resort. It's a beautiful resort here to complement Universal's Epic Universe. If you guys are interested in booking a room here at the Stella Nova Resort or a Universal Orlando Resort vacation package, we, the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures, would love to assist you. All you have to do is click on this QR code and you'll be directed to our quote page, and we would love to work with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, every day is an adventure, and we'll see you in the next room tour.